to Rajvi's Fun Club. Today, we're gonna paint a big galaxy. Do you know what a galaxy is? It's 100 of stars everywhere. For that, you'll need a canvas, a pencil, 2 sizes brushes, a sponge brush, a toothbrush, some round shaped lids, different size lids, and paint called red, yellow, green, dark blue, light blue, pink, black, and white. You also need a crumpled plastic bag. First, I'm going to put the different size lids around like this. Now, I'm going to draw the outline for all of the planets using a pencil. Once you outline all the lids, you take them out of their outlines. Now we'll take the paintbrush, the black paint, and color the whole canvas, but not the circles which we made. Now we're going to open it and paint. Like this, we'll finish the black background and let the canvas dry. First, I'll take the blue color and dab it on the circlining. I mixed pink and blue a little bit and made purple. Guess which planet am I making next? Green, blue, and white? Planet Earth, which we live on. Now I'll take some white and put it on this side of the green. Now I'll take some blue and put it on the other side of the green paint. Using my fingers, I'll make texture. Now take some yellow and color the next planet to earth. Take some red and put it on the yellow. Now you have to take a little red and make lines. Then take some orange and make a line next to it. Now take a little purple. Now I'm gonna take some yellow and dab it on this planet. Done. Now the plastic bag, which I'm gonna crumple it into a small ball. Now I'm gonna dip it in the paint and dab it on a planet. Which planet? Last one. You're finished coloring your planets. You can let your canvas dry before you do the spray painting. When my planets are almost dry, and now we are going to cover them with the lids again. Now we'll take a toothbrush and the blue paint and do the stars. My toothbrush and the blue paint, and now I'm ready to do the spray painting. I have taken white paint and a paintbrush, and I'm gonna spray it on the galaxy. Now, when we're done the spray painting, we're gonna lift up all the lids to see our final product. This is my beautiful galaxy painting. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye!